Well, I'm here with Mark from Gardner Outdoor and Pool Remodeling. Mark, did I get it right that time? I always drop some part of the name accidentally. Was that right?
You got it right.
Okay, for once. One of my favorite clients, I love talking to you about different things over time related to pools. But we got a more serious subject today, which is the COVID-19 and that crisis and what that's done, and the way you guys have handled it in an exemplary way with a video. Tell me a little bit about what caused you to want to create the video that you did, and then we'll talk about the results of it after that.
Well, we have 155 employees here and their families to worry about. So our first concern was to keep them safe. So we're doing lots of things following the protocols to help make sure that they're healthy and working safely. But we also want to keep our prospects and our clients safe. So we made the video to inform the clients of all the things that we're going to be doing, as well as follow-up emails. We explain how we want to keep social distancing. We'll be wearing a mask, all kinds of things, so that everyone, including their families, are safe throughout this crisis.
You were one of the first companies that I saw come out with a really well-designed, well-done video showing step-by-step what you're doing to protect your employees, their families, the community, the customer, and everybody. And I'm sure that had to have a ripple effect in putting customers' minds at ease and getting people to be able to engage in the remodeling that they might want to have. Did it have that effect?
Yes. I mean, people were hesitant to have someone come over, even to the backyard. But we explained that we're not going to enter the premises. We're not going to share pens. We'll be wearing a mask. We're going to be following all of the protocols, and we're asking them to follow them too, because I need to keep our people safe as well. So it's a two-way street here. So yes, we tried our best to put everyone at ease.
And I think it's worked very well. I've seen the video views that we've had when we shared your video. We're running out of time, but I just wanted to say, if you're at home and you have a pool and you haven't been thrilled with it and using it during this lockdown time, you got to call Mark and his team. Gardner's the best that there is in the business, and they're going to give you a free estimate and help transform your pool into the pool that you'll never want to get out of. Mark, thank you so much for being a part of what we're doing today. You can find them and all great pros at ApprovedHomePros.com.